All right, so here's an easy weeknight chili recipe that's going to be ready in no time. So for all of you busy folks out there, all of you busy moms and dads, this one is for you, and it is absolutely delicious. So we're gonna go in with 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using a lean ground beef and one that's a little bit fatty for more flavor. We are going to break that down, and then we're gonna also add some onion to that. Let it brown, and then make sure you drain the fat. Drain it really well. Now to the stock pot, we're going to add some chili beans, and then we're going to go in with some tomato sauce. We're going to add some diced tomatoes and some crushed garlic. Now for our seasonings, we're going to go in with some onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder, and lastly, tomato bouillon. Mix all of those ingredients together, and then we're going to bring it up to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, cover, reduce the heat, and we are going to let it cook for 30 minutes. If you have the time, go ahead and let it cook for an hour so those flavors can marry together. And guys, when you're done, this is what you get: a delicious, warm, and hearty homemade chili that is perfect for this time of the year. And guys, you can pair this with cornbread, crackers, Frito chips, top it with cheese and sour cream, onions, and chives. You can get this recipe by clicking the link in my profile. Enjoy.